Okay, all you libertines in quarantine, this is T Messal. Got another poem for you today called Education Secretary Betsy DeVos, 10 yachts plus all she's wrought, rots. How many yachts, Betsy DeVos, have you and your husband's family bought? 10? One flying a Cayman Islands flag to avoid paying your country's taxed tags. Your patriotism. A boat worth $40 million? Really, we ask? Husband, little Dickie, heir to the Amway family's $5.1 billion, who taught the poor to sell to the poor, netting nearly for themselves nil. These peasants who make Amway product sales could ill afford an oar or an inner tube, much less a lavish yacht to sail. 10 yachts, Betsy DeVos? Wouldn't 6 do? Or 16? Why the hell not? Betsy DeVos, with all your yachts, what do you know about education's costs? Did you pay for yours or any of your yachts? No. Were you public schooled? Ha ha ha. Yet you denied an inner city teacher the debt forgiveness she earned. Was it your money to that teacher you stood to lose? No, yours was tied up in yachts and the private planes you use. Betsy DeVos, our deregulating boss, stuffing campus rape back in the closet, easier for the accused to get off. Obviously, Betsy DeVos, you'd never been raped on one of your yachts. Education Secretary Betsy DeVos, selling off our schools to all the corporations that you think are cool. Rich friends need to get richer. It's the least you could do. Betsy DeVos, with all of your yachts, your wealth, your stealth, you greedy demon seed, someday we'll be rid of thee. We'll repair your evil, strap you in your favorite yacht, send you anchorless like the poor you despise off to wherever you might finally get an education in kindness, humility, and a higher purpose in life. Or these lessons still unlearned, suffer all here you rot. Lessons unlearned, greed unchecked, selfishness still your lot. There's a place where your ilk pay, and their souls, if they have one, forever rot. Before it's too late, and this is your fate, get the education, Betsy DeVos, that those with compassion got.